Bless upon yourself again, people. Good night. Welcome back again, people. Guys, what is going on with Solanie? Did you saw that viral video on social media with Solanie, people? What is your opinion on that? Because some people say Solanie I get off. Some people say Solanie sick. See me? But you know, in my opinion, in some way she kind of looks sick, and in some way she kind of look alright. So I wanted to myself say, you know, if she really 100% alright, and you know, Solanie is a woman who always a jovial and thing, but you know, she never really dressed properly. I mean, I said, nah, man. You know, wonder if Solanie go through hard times, or wonder if, you know, if things alright for her people. Because, you know, say, you know, she go up in her age and thing, and, you know, things kind of tough for her now and then, people. And, you know, that look away if you know, say, you know, hard life reach her, or she getting sick and thing, and, you see me? And we all know, so Dana is the main person who always reach out to her. Should I say, Solanie always reach out to Dana and get help from her and thing, people. And, you know, it just look away if you know, say, Solanie up and down and walk up and down on the streets like say something wrong with her people. See me? I mean, I wonder if Joseph aware that his mother alright or what, people. But no, man, she not look so good, guys. You know, I don't remember the page that site and but a site on social media somewhere, guys. But let's open pray say it's not that serious and all them thing. Because one of them know say nothing at all I'm to Solanie, guys. Because when you look on her, you can see it say she not so well. I know the Solanie is a woman that has put herself together, but she never properly dressed attired and thing. You see me? So I could just have hopes up and make sure say everything at alright, guys. Cause we know say, you know, when you're up in that age, you tend to do all kind of things, and then she have the diabetes as well to people. So you know, so that probably complicated also again too. So let's hope say that's not the issue and she's doing fine, people. You see me? That a person are commenting some things under the video, and me I say, guys, no sir, it no look good based on my type and thing, people. But you can't follow people. Cause you know Solanie is a jovial woman and things. So she might dress a particular way and then she's okay. See me? We cannot judge a book by cover. So I just want to know, so guys, she alright. See me? Because Solanie is a lady with jovial in a man. Solanie is a lady who make Dana smile in a man. Solanie is a lady who make people laugh, you know. But it's sad if you know, so she takes sick couple times well, because she usually pop it up on social media, and all of a sudden now we know to hear about her again like one time. You get me? I say, people, and enough people miss her up on social media. If she have a YouTube channel or a TikTok or a Instagram, people, she can promote herself. I throw more time, you know, probably Joseph in the daily fear and thing. You see me? And she can't really trust nobody to control her page, because you have some people who control her page, and when pay time come, them take all the money. You see me? So let's open pray say everything at all alright for Solanie, because Dana is not there no more in Jamaica. If you get a little thing, now and then. You see me? After what Solanie did to her in the past and thing where they manipulate her and make she cuss Dana. You see me? But this stuff is showing us that yo, hard time can reach anybody at all. Hard time can reach me, hard time can reach you. See me? I remember how far Solanie come from. Remember then I got the house and I meet Solanie and thing, guys. You know, it was a joy. See me? And also pouring of tears. And I hope and pray that Joseph take care of his mother, because I know him have a youth and thing. See me? Let's hope some put even a little thing and take care of his mother as well too. Because you know, if you don't see your mother walk up and down the streets, see me? The streets are talk about it. And you know, people stay. As if say something at all, them run with it. When it negative, or any positive or negative, them are running it. They just want to look at something to make content out of it, guys. You see me? So we gotta just watch and see what go on, people. We miss Solanie on social media, guys. Social media is nice again without Solanie, because Solanie full of vibes. She funny, she jovial, and she know how to act. You get me? I say? Yeah, man. Me think say somebody need to come on board and just, you know, just help her, just give her next ray of hope. and see if she can make it again on the big stage. You see me? Because she have sense, no people. Trust me. Some people say she mad, and she not have sense. She have sense. She have whoop sense and thing, and she know what she about, and she know what to do to make for yourself marketable people. I swear. You see me? So when anybody come talk about Solanie is a mad woman, no, she not mad. She just want her injection for when she get upset more time to keep her calm. But she's a very sensible woman when it comes to any thing at all. She know what she want. You see me? And I must say that people, it's a joy if you get to know Solanie people. Trust me, it's a nice woman to meet. She will reason with you and talk to you and thing. See me? But like when she want her medication, she will tend to act ignorant and thing. And I hope and pray so she take her medication and she not drink nor smoke. Because Mr. Dana done the one already and thing. See me? And Mr. Dana the only person will talk to her and help her like that. You get me I say? So you can watch her listen out for any little thing at all from Solanie people. But sometimes we cannot judge a book by its cover. Because we might see Solanie look away and then Solanie could be alright. Maybe the only clothes she have right now she can wear. You see me? That's why she wear the clothes there. You get me I say? But this is social media and this is a very funny place for company. You see me? Because sometimes some people take some things on a different level. Sometimes you see somebody I say something and them turn around and hate you. Them turn around and bash you and make it look like say, yo, you not like them. See me? But Solanie, big up yourself. I hope and pray so things may turn around for you and your family. And you know, may get some financial help. See me? If not financial help, you get some different kind of help. But somebody can come on board. You know, whether they might help with social media, some grocery. See me? Or, you know, Joseph can basically take care of him can. You see me? He might not can take care of you all the time, but hope and pray him take care of you and make sure so you're alright. Because you're a nice mother. You see me? Even though the situation, you are a nice mother. And I love how Dana they meet at your house and make the world know where I go and big up all the donors them, but they send money come to Solanie in the past to help her out and things, guys. See me? But you know when you have a mental issue, you know you tend to spend enough money and do all kind of things and want, you know, put the money to good use. See me? You buy cigarette and all kind of things and you end up hurt yourself more and more. But guys, best upon yourself, yeah man. Best upon yourself, people. And you know, I must say that it has been a joy tonight to talk to you. See me? And we just have to put a finger across so everything at all well with Solanie. You see me? Because I must say Solanie is a sensible woman and she know what I go on. She not fool. But some people feel like she's fool. She not fool. She have sense. You see me? She just want some help, people. She just want the help. But sometimes she get the help and thing, she abuse the help. You see me? And also again, sometimes she get the help. She depend on the help too much. You see me? I mean, I want to tell myself if Solanie have no more kids, otherwise I'm Joseph. I mean, I wonder if Joseph will take care of her mother. You see me? Because I know him having one youth already. You see me? But that does not stay. And like you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pitney to take care of. So it's open pray say I take care of your mother, make sure say your mother alright. And make sure say your mother taking medication on time. Because we never know the Solanie I get mother or you know she the diabetes and thing I deal with her away people. See me? But you know, gone are the days and Solanie just give a joke entertainment. You know, the whole thing change up right about now. See me? So you can watch and see how this all unfold there, people. Big up yourself, Solanie, you know, all the best with you and you know your family. And I hope and pray that things may change for you. You know, you may become fabulous, famous again and make some money for the social media or in a real life. Guys, thanks for watching the video, thanks for liking the video, and thanks for leaving your thought in the comment section, people. We have a soon again tomorrow, you know, so just stay tuned and go on the thing, people. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.